How to delete history on Google Chrome. Want to clear your browsing history on Google Chrome? Let's walk through the steps to delete it safely and quickly. So from here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and then select Settings. Now from here, go ahead and head over into Privacy and Security and then select Delete Browsing Data. Now in here, you can go ahead and select the amount of data that you want to delete. So you can delete the data from the last hour, from the last 24 hour, from the last 7 days. You can also delete all of the data since the very beginning. So once you're done with this, go ahead and select Delete Data to confirm deleting all of the data saved. You can also delete specific sites. Search for the site in the history, then click delete beside it. Clearing history is quick and boosts privacy. Use time ranges for flexibility or delete specific websites when needed. And that is how to delete history in Google Chrome.